In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Galaxy Score fundamentals in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and how to bring Galaxy Score data right onto your chart, so you can use it alongside your existing technical analysis. First, open up TradingView Pro and head to the chart of the asset you want to analyze. Make sure you're on the main chart interface, where you normally draw trend lines and add indicators. At the top of the screen, you'll see an option called Indicators. This is where all the tools, scripts, and data overlays live. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. Once that panel pops up, you'll see a search bar and a list of different categories on the side. Instead of searching by name right away, we're going to use these categories to get to Galaxy Score more quickly. Look for the section labeled Fundamentals. This is the area in TradingView that focuses on data beyond pure price action, such as company metrics, on-chain or sentiment data, depending on the asset class. Click on Fundamentals to open that category. Inside the Fundamentals section, TradingView groups different kinds of data, and one of those groups is focused on social and sentiment-based metrics. That's exactly what we want for Galaxy Score. Within Fundamentals, find and click on the social category. This tells TradingView you're interested in indicators based on social activity, community behavior, and related sentiment factors. After you click social, you'll see a list of available tools and indicators related to social data. In that list, look for Galaxy Score. Depending on your layout, you might need to scroll a bit, but it should be clearly labeled. Once you spot it, simply click on Galaxy Score. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. You should now see the Galaxy Score appear, usually in a separate panel below your price chart. From here, you can hover over it to see values, resize the panel for better visibility, or open the settings if you want to adjust how it looks. You can also toggle it on and off from your indicators list if your chart starts to feel crowded. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added Galaxy Score fundamentals to your TradingView Pro chart. If you'd like to start using this feature and you're not on TradingView Pro yet, use the link in my description to sign up and get access to these tools.